Hi guys, so for today's video, I wanted to recreate Pinterest hairstyles for long hair because I always wear my hair the same way. So I wanted to be a bit more creative, but I also wanted to be able to actually achieve these hairstyles. So stay tuned if you guys want to see these easy hairstyles for long hair, Pinterest inspired. So this first hairstyle is the easiest of them all. This one is Kim K inspired. So I always wear my hair part in the same side, so I chose this one because it forces me to change up my hair part. Also, Kim's curls look a lot more like braided curls, so if you wanted to go heatless, you can actually achieve this by braiding your hair and leaving it overnight. Or you can use a hairstyle like this one or the one that I'm using. It pretty much gives you the same type of curls. Overall, this hairstyle is cute and easy, but next time that I'll wear it, I'll probably take smaller pieces of hair and focus the curl more at the ends of the hair rather than on top. So this next hairstyle, again, it's pretty easy. It's a half up, half down ponytail with curls. So you're going to take a section of your hair around the temple of your head and then brush it out and then tie it up with a hairband. Then go in and slightly pull some hair to give it volume and texture. Then add curls. And that's it. Although this hairstyle is super easy and super simple, it's still very cute and it's definitely going to change up your look. Look number 3 is literally the same steps as look number 2. Instead, we're going to add a bun. Grab your ponytail and twist it up and make a bun. Tie it up with an elastic band, fluff up your bun, and that's it. It's cute, but honestly, it's not my style. My bun needed a bit more volume, and maybe next time I'll probably use hair extensions to create a more fluffier bun. So this next look, it's very cute, but honestly, I don't see myself wearing this anytime soon. It's a little bit too extra for me, but I still wanted to give it a try. So again, divide half of your hair starting at the temple of your head. Then separate that hair down the middle, then leave some hair out for the front bangs. And then tie up your hair with 2 ponytails. Then twist the hair to create 2 buns and curl the front pieces and the rest of your hair. And then again, I feel like hair extensions would definitely create more volume for those buns. However, instead of adding the 2 buns and just leaving the 2 ponytails, I think it's a more wearable look rather than wearing the 2 buns. I feel like I would actually wear this a lot more often than the 2 buns. Look number 5 is another half up, half down hairstyle, but with some twist in the front. So, I'm gonna be honest, I saw a lot of hairstyles like this, but instead of the twist, it was actually a braid. But I can't braid my hair like that, so the twist option, it's a lot more doable for me. So if you can actually braid your hair, this will look even better. This is one of my favorite looks because it looks a bit extra, but still easy to do. I feel since my hair is dark, you're not able to really see the twist as where if you actually had highlights or different tone hair or a lot lighter hair, it would actually bring out the dimensions. So for this last hairstyle, you're just going to take a section of hair and you're pretty much just going to braid one side of it. And it's going to be like a French braid, but you're only going to be picking up hair from the front of your face rather from both sides. And then you're just going to pin it under your hair. And then you're just going to curl your hair however you want. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me try these Pinterest inspired hairstyles, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you guys want to see more of my videos.